Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are doing great and very fantastic. So today our practice session is the topic is the importance of time management. So let's start the video. So as a student, we should know that time management is a very important skills for us, because if we don't know how to manage our time well, then we have to face many difficulties in our daily life. Because time management is a very important skills for us. It helps us to organize ourselves. As a student, we have many tasks like attending our classes, preparing our exams, and completing our assignments, and also we have our personal life. So for all this, we should use our time. So if you want to spend our time with our friends, with our families, with our colleagues, then we need to manage our time properly. And without time management, we cannot actually get these opportunities to give extra time, to spend extra time with our families. So time management, that's why, is very important for us. Another important benefits of time management is that it gives us extra time for other activities. Like, so we just don't have our studies, we also have our friends, our families who wants our time. So to give them our time management is very important. If we complete our task, our assignment on time, then we have enough time to spend with play with our friends. We can watch film, we can watch YouTube channel, YouTube news, etc. if we proper use our time, if we proper manage our daily time. So that's why as a student we have to understand how to manage our time well. So finally, time management is very important for us students, because it teaches us how to manage our time, how to use our time properly. And if you want to be a successful in your study life, in your daily life, then you must learn how to manage time properly. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this, please like, comment and subscribe. Assalamu alaikum.